guys, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin, and I'm here with another video, and I'm going to show you right now in this video how to basically get a perfect score, okay, with your credit with $0, okay? If you pay close attention here in this video, I'm going to show you if you have bad credit, no credit, if you had a repo, like me. Listen, I filed bankruptcy before. I have lost many cars before. What else have I done? I did a lot of things like credit card debt, school debt. I've had all those things. But there's ways that I'm going to show you on basically how to fix it and boost your credit score to a perfect. Now listen, a lot of people truly believe that a perfect credit score is 800. I don't believe that. I believe that a perfect credit score is 700. Let me tell you why. Because with a credit score of 700, you can get whatever you want, okay? You can get cars, real estate, homes, houses, and I'm gonna show you that in this video right now. Now listen, I know what you're thinking. You might say, okay, Wesley, can I do this? Yes, you can do this right now, and I'm gonna show you proof. I'm gonna log into my account so you can see everything. I wanna be very transparent. Hell, I'm using an iPhone. And guess what? I appreciate you liking and sharing and subbing to this video because it's all about me giving you value. So yes, that is a picture of me. I don't know why. Come on, let's go. Let's go. All right, so as you can see here, I got a bunch of credit cards. If you're in credit card debt, no problem. If you have a bad credit score, no problem. I've had a credit score of 400, okay? 400, and I was thinking, how do I fix this? And I'm gonna show you what you can do right now for free. And if you watch to the very end, I'm gonna show you a cool way to get other people to do it for you, okay? They did it for me, and now my credit score is 700 plus. And I know you're thinking, well, Wesley, how do I know your credit score is 700 plus? How about I just log in and show you? Check it out. Let me turn this, hold on. And remember guys, hey, if you're getting any value here, like and share the video. Always do that because I would do more videos like this. Because understand this, to make a bunch of money is cool, but you have to know how to sustain and manage the money that you have. So look, check it out. This is the site that I use to check my credit score, okay? Write this down for yourself. I'm gonna give it to you for free. It's many companies out there, but this is the best company that I've used. They give you the accurate credit score. As you can see, my username is winning38. Now listen, my credit score was 400, I think about 400 to 500 about maybe a year or two ago, right? And using this technique has allowed my credit score to jump. Let me show you. All right, let me log in right here. I'm being very transparent, guys, okay? Let me show you my credit score. Look at that. It's 722. Now listen, this is what this means. You can pretty much get whatever you want, okay? At 722, you know, some people believe 800 is a perfect score. It doesn't really matter. A perfect score is your ability to get any type of financing, any type of money when you're trying to do real estate deals, which I do, which I teach you as well. All you need is over 700. If you can do that, you're in a great position in life, okay? Now, for all my people that have debt, for all my people that have credit card debt, school debt, I got something very special for you. So watch the video to the very end and I give it to you. Okay, now listen. First step is this. You got to run your score, okay? You got to see what you're dealing with. Make sense? All right, now, I'm just going to get right into it. Hey, guys, hold on. Let me turn this camera on. I'm going to ask you a question. Do you mind if I just tell you exactly what you have to do to start boosting your credit score right now? I don't want to waste any time because I have to go work out for the second time today. So how about I just share with you exactly what I do? Listen, number one, write letters to the credit bureau disputing the accounts that are late. Okay, this is powerful. Okay, accounts that are late, accounts that you haven't paid in years, you know those credit card accounts, right? And maybe those school debts. Just write them letters. Let me tell you why this is powerful. When you write letters to the bureau disputing that, they have 30 days, okay? They have 30 days to get back with you. If they don't, they are by law required to remove that from your credit report. Okay, I did this like years ago, and I said, you know what? How about I just create a video and show people how to do this? Now, I know what you're thinking. Now, Wesley, what if I don't know how to write a letter? So if you hit the like button right now, what I'm going to do, because I'm going to give you massive value, I'm going to give you pre-written letters for free. Do you love me yet? Let me say it again. I'm going to give you in the description below, okay, pre-written letters. All you have to do is fill in the blank and mail it certified to the credit bureaus. All of them. I'm going to give you the address of all the bureaus, right? First thing is, you got to pull your credit. Go to this site. Let me show you again. Go to this site to pull your credit, okay? And I'm going to show you how to boost it fast. You don't necessarily have to pay all that debt off, okay? Now, credit bureaus will never tell you this, but in essence, you don't have to pay it all off. Let me tell you why, what happens. Now, understand this. A lot of credit card companies, right, when they say, oh, you owe $50,000, $30,000, $5,000, and some of you go into chargeback. I've been in chargeback with American Express. I've been in chargeback with MasterCard. And now today I have all these cards. Listen, and when they're calling you on the phone, you know, when they call you, hey, pay. But it gets to a point where they're going to write it off. When they write it off, now you can pay about 25 to 30% of the money that you actually owe. Okay, you don't know that. Because they're making tons of money off you, off your ignorance, okay? But pay attention. Check it out. What I'm going to do here, if you smash that like button right now, in the description below, I'm going to give you a pre-written letter that you can download to your computer. You can copy and paste, and you can email all these credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. I did this. This is why my credit score is 722. Hello? Are you loving me yet? Are you loving me yet? Comment below. Say, Wesley, I love you. Listen, on this channel here, and I'm going to show you another video how I show average people how to make money online. But as you make money, you have to know how to sustain and keep the money and diversify the money and make sure you're using OPM. OPM means other people's money. Don't use your money, use other people's money. Makes sense? All right? That makes sense? All right. Now listen. Now I know some of you guys, well, Wesley, that made perfect sense. And listen, I did this, but I did something different. I'm not lazy, but I'm too busy creating content for you, okay, to make you successful and help you become a millionaire quickly here. And to do that, you have to be smart with money. But I say, you know, is there a way that I can relax and work on my dream while someone else does this? For many years, I've never shared this company. I had about 30 negative items or more on my credit report. I had a repo, I had a bankruptcy, I had a ton of credit card debt, and this company, within a few months, they deleted everything and I didn't pay a dime. So how about I give it to you right now? I know what you're thinking, Wesley, not only am I going to smash the like button, I love you. I'm going to give it to you for free. I'm not going to charge you. You know these dumb, stupid credit card programs that you buy online? I'm going to fix your program. I'm going to fix your credit. Just give me $500, $5,000. This is free. You don't have to pay all these programs money to tell you what you have to do. Just watch my videos here because I'm going to tell you the truth. This is what I've used personally for the last 4 years, and they continually delete things off my credit report very quickly here. They super cheap and they work. Okay, they're powerful because they basically do exactly what I asked you to do, which is to write pre-written letters. They do it like clockwork, right? And the great thing about it, if that company that you owe money to, if they forget in 30 days and they get a lot of letters, they have to, by law, to delete these items from your credit. So how about I give it to you right now? You want it? Let's go! It's all about massive value. And I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I'm smashing that like button and I'm giving you a sub right now. But Wesley, give me the site. Where do I need to go to get somebody else to do it for me? Check it out. And I'm going to log into my account. Boom, here we go. Lexington law firm, okay? I've never shared this publicly. Listen, don't ever spend money on a credit repair agency other than these guys. They work, right? You know, people online and say, hey, we'll fix your credit. Just buy our webinar. No. This company is nothing but a group of lawyers. That's all they do all day. They're smart. They're smarter than me, and they're smarter than you. Let me log in. Let me show you something. My user ID is called Perfect Credit, okay? Because my credit is perfect, because I can get anything I want. That's why I have cars like this. Look. Let me see. See that? That's American Express. I had a chargeback with these guys. A chargeback is almost as worse as a bankruptcy. They gave me one, and they gave me another one. And I could spend $250,000. And I'm going to do a video on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to log into my Amex account, and I'm going to show you how much money I spend per month and how much free things they give me, such as iPhones, iPads for free for having this car. And I'm going to show you how to get it easily. It's not that hard to get it, okay? Check it out. So here we go here. I promise you at the end of this video, it's going to show you this. So here it is. That's my credit score for one of my bureaus here. Okay, you see this? And look at that, 18 removed and 13 negative items remain. Look, they still removing things from my credit. It's all good. But my credit score is over 700. Listen, if you have a credit score over 700, you can finance any car, Rolls Royce, a Lamborghini. You can get a mansion. It doesn't matter. If it's over 700, you're a good. Now listen, let me teach you something. Because I want you to understand something here. All right, because I want to make sure that you don't make any mistakes while you're doing this. Whenever you get a credit card, make sure you keep your balance low, okay? Make the minimum payment, but keep the balance low. So I have a ton of credit cards, and I keep the balance low, which means I have a credit card right now. I can spend $100,000 a month, but I don't spend $100,000. I spend about $100 a month. What's important when it comes to credit cards to build your credit fast, you just have to pay the minimum and pay it off. But don't use all the money. That's the trick, because what credit card companies want you to do is, and what allows credit card bureaus to raise your score, they want to see that you're paying every month and keeping a very low balance on the card, because that shows them that you're responsible. People with new credit, you can get a bunch of credit cards. Don't use them, okay? Spend less than 10% per month and pay it off. Do it now. In my 20s, I made mistakes, okay? I screwed up. Don't screw up. Listen, let me show you here. And go ahead and hit that like button if you got some value here. I want you to go to Lexington Law Firm. It's about $70 a month. I think their cheapest package is about $50 a month. And every month, it is their job to delete items from your credit card, okay? And from your report. And yes, it works with broken leases. It works for bankruptcy. It works for anything. These guys are amazing. Look, let me show you my removals here. You see here? 58% has been removed, 18 removed, and it happens like clockwork. Listen, 10 of these accounts, I didn't pay any money. I didn't even pay the money back. I swear to God, I didn't. They removed it because, like I said before, if the credit card companies or your school debt, if they forget to remove it, then they have to delete it, okay? So listen, if you want those pre-made letters, I want you in the comment section below, comment the word, let's go! If you got any value from this video to boost your credit score to perfect, it can happen this year if you follow everything that I gave you. But if you want the autopilot way, get a company like them. I've researched every company online. I've been using them for 5 years. When my credit score was 400, 500, now it's 722. And by the end of the year, I'll be 800. But who cares? 700 is enough for you to get whatever you want. I love you guys. This is Wesley. Billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Smash that like, share it, and I'll be back soon. Let's go.